overtime. So I will have the pleasure to sum up this day from this very nice NanoHarmony and NANOMET workshop. But we're only here having like the first day today. I hope you will be with us the second day. So for today, what is left to say is mainly thank you to all the speakers and all the participants of our roundtable. I think we had a very interesting day with different information giving on test guideline developments for nanomaterials in the first half of the day, and this afternoon having a very lively discussion on the stakeholder involvement in the different steps of the OECD test guideline developments. And thank you again to all of you. For tomorrow, we will start again at 11 CET, so please, join us again. Mark Gonzalez will guide us through the day, so NanoMed will take over tomorrow with guiding us through the day. And we will again have some presentation on test guideline developments within RISC-GON and also presentation on the Malta initiative and on 2 documents coming on the one hand from NanoHarmony and NANOMET, which is a status report, and then a standardization roadmap from Gov4Nano, and also further developments in the in the guidance document for the tiered approach of the bioaccumulation. For the afternoon tomorrow, we have different presentations from advanced materials, that's moving beyond nanomaterials and having a look into advanced materials and the lessons learned there from the nanomaterials. So thank you to all of you for joining us today. I hope to see you tomorrow at 11 CET again, and see you. Goodbye.
Bye. Thanks.